Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel, Flyaway Mom. It is Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day, everyone. Today I am off from work, so I will be spending the day here with my family. The kids are at school right now. They have a half day, so they should be getting home from school soon. And yesterday I took a poll and I said, hey, what do you guys want to eat for dinner? And they decided that everybody wanted fried shrimp. So today I will be making fried shrimp and fillets and a salad and some dessert for dinner for Valentine's Day. Greg and I usually don't go out to dinner on Valentine's Day because it's usually really crazy busy. And I just don't, I don't know, I kind of always like to sit home and have a nice glass of wine and have a nice dinner at home and celebrate it with the kids. They're always really excited over Valentine's Day. I'm not really sure why. I'm sure, are going to come home with a ton of cards and candy from school, so they'll be really excited about that. But I figured I would make this video and show you guys how I make delicious fried shrimp. I usually make about 2 pounds of shrimp because the kids eat it up. There's usually none left over because it is actually really, really good. So I figured I will show you that. So stick around and I'll show you how I make it. Okay guys, so what I did was I went to the store and I bought...
Hi.
Say hi, Kayla. Hi.
I lost a tooth.
Yes, she did. She lost a tooth.
Oh.
Anyway, I went to the store and I bought a 2-pound package of the Cape Gourmet frozen shrimp. It's just easier and a little cheaper to buy frozen shrimp than fresh shrimp. So I like the extra large, the 26 to 30 count. And it's about 26 to 30 shrimps per pound, so there should be probably around 60 shrimp. And they are the easy peel with the shell on. They're deveined, and they should be fairly easy to get the shell off. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to run them under a cold bath to get them unfrozen. Okay, so then what I like to do is once they are defrosted, I like to peel them. See, they're deveined. So they're actually pretty easy to peel. So I just take this off. And, and I do like to take the tail off because the kids don't like the tail. They just like to shove it in their mouths. And then I like to, well, you do. And then I'd like to just put paper towel down on a cookie sheet just to have them dry before I put them in the flour and the breadcrumbs. So I'm going to continue to peel these and put them on the line, and then I'll show you what comes next. Okay, so I have the shrimp that is peeled and I pulled the tail off. Now what I'm going to do is I put some flour with a little bit of Old Bay seasoning in it, and I put it in a bag, and that way I just find it easier to stick the shrimp inside the bag. I just put a bunch of shrimp in there and I toss it around.
Can I help you?
Yeah. Did you wash your hands? Wash your hands with soap and water.
Yeah, I want
Okay. So then you find your little shrimp.
You did this side, I did this.
Okay.
Wait,
Here, let me just show how we do it first.
Shrimp?
Okay, and then you put it in your...
Can I get a shrimp now?
Yes. And then you put it in the egg wash. And then you put it in the panko breadcrumbs. Now this panko breadcrumb that I use is the 4C's breadcrumb, which are these right here. And they're seasoned. So I don't really need to season the breadcrumbs. which is one less step. So yeah, so then I guess I needed a little bit more egg wash in there. I just put them up here.
Can I put that?
Yep, just put them, drop them all in there. So if you want, you could drop a bunch in there, and then we're gonna toss them around. Oh, we put the shrimp in there. Now Kayla's shaking it up. All right, make sure you get all the shrimp. All right, they're in there. Now we get to pick them out. You get the shrimp out.
Oh,
Yeah, just dump it in there.
Nah.
Make sure you get the extra flour off of it. Come on, little sucker, get out of there. Toss it around.
What? Jeez, that's loud.
Gotta get your hands in there and get them all dirty. And I did wash my hands.
Yep, we do wash our
All
hands.
right, so then you put them there. Here.
Mommy.
All right, hold on.
Oh, jeez. Here's the second one going in there. Watch out, watch out, watch out. Watch out, watch out, watch out. Ooh.
We're back, and these are all the
Whoa.
shrimp. Now they're ready to go in the fryer.
Yeah. They're going to be yummy at my tummy.
We have the fryer here,
I wish you guys could
and we
smell
filled it with canola oil. And you could just use a regular frying pan, but
We need that for the French fries and like the steaks.
yeah. But we use it for mozzarella sticks and sometimes French fries, and it's great for the fried shrimp that we make every once in a while. Guys, this is the finished product. Some fried shrimp. Here's some cocktail sauce. Kayla, you had some. Were they good? They were delicious, right? Did you taste one yet, Mickey? No? Where do we have them? Mozzarella sticks? Don't mind if I do. Oh, they're hot.
The cheese is hot.
Here's the shrimp maker.
Did you take it already?
Yeah. Is it good? Oh, that's how we make fried shrimp. Thanks for watching.
Subscribe, hit the bell
We're gonna go
button.
eat. Stop eating the shrimp
Why?
because
I made
we're
it.
not ready for dinner yet.
I'm my first one.
Yeah. Anyway. Bye guys. Happy
Bye.
Valentine's Day.
Eat
You like it?
this recipe.
He just shoved the whole thing in his mouth. See, that's why I take the tail off. All right, guys. Night.
Bye.
Bye.
See you later.
See you later, alligator.
Love you.
Love you.